Dear kids, I am taking you exercise 6C, problem number 11, and it says let M be the letters of word real. So you know M will be R, E, A, L, and N is the letters of word lair. So N is L, A, R, E. Write sets M and N in roster form and then state whether M belongs to N is true. Yes, see, they are the subsets of each other actually. Yes, so yes, they are the subset, they belong to each other. So your first statement is true. You can say yes. Your second statement is also true. Yes. What about third? M is equal to N. Yes, both of them contain same elements. So yes. Clear? Next we have question number 12, which says write two sets A and B such that A is a subset of B and B is a subset of A. State the relationship between sets A and B. Now, if both of them, like the previous one you have done, real and lair, such kind of words you can take it. Like if I take mate and we can tame, they both have same letters if you can notice. So both the sets are equal and both are subsets of each other. So such kind of sets you can make. Yes. Next we are taking 6D, problem number 1, which says x given A is equal to x such that x belongs to natural numbers and x is greater than 3 and less than equal to 6. That means your set A will have 4, 5, 6. Am I correct? What about B? B says that B is a set of x such that x belongs to whole numbers and x is less than 4. So it is less than 4, that means it is still 3, 2, 1 and I'll take 0 because it belongs to whole numbers also. Now next we have find set A and B in roster form. We have already given. Next you have A union B. Now what do you mean by union, my dear kids? Union means you have to combine all the elements together of both the sets. So that will be A union B. So what all things you will include? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So all the elements of A and B are included in this. Now next is A intersection B. This inverted U is the intersection symbol. Intersection means you have to find whether there is any common element in both of them. So it is not there, so you can write empty set. Next you have A minus B. What do you mean by this, my dear kids? Now A minus B मतलब A में से B के एलिमेंट्स हटा दो. सो A में तो आपके पास 4, 5, 6 है, उसके पास कोई भी B का एलिमेंट है ही नहीं. सो दैट विल बी 4, 5, 6. वॉट विल बी B माइनस A? B में से A के एलिमेंट्स हटा दो. तो B में कोई भी A का एलिमेंट है ही नहीं. सो वील कीप B एज इट इज, B माइनस A. Clear? Next we have problem number 2, which says P is a set of x belongs to x such that x belongs to whole numbers and x is greater than equal to 4 and less than equal to 8. So my P will be 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Am I correct? Q, we have Q x such that x belongs to natural numbers and x is less than 6. So it belongs to natural numbers, that means it will start from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Clear? It is less than 6, so I will not include 6. I am so sorry. It will be till 5. Now you have to find P intersection Q. So you have to include all the elements of both. Now see to it that the repeated elements should not be given in the set. Okay, so P union Q, you will take 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1, 2, 3 also. Got my point? You have to write it in this thing order in a series, like it should start from 1. I have written like this. The answer should be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That is P union Q. Now what is P intersection Q? P intersection Q is 4 and 5. Got my point clear? Yes. Next you have to find, we have found both. Okay, next it says is P union Q is a proper set or superset of P intersection Q. क्या P यूनियन Q में P intersection Q के सभी एलिमेंट्स हैं? Yes, so you can write it as yes. Clear? Next we have A 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. B is given such that x is greater than 3 and it is less than 8. So your B will be 4, 5, 6, 7. And C is less than equal to 5 and x belongs to natural numbers. So C के जो elements हैं वो natural numbers के हैं. So that will start from 1 until 5 you have to write. Why 5 I am including? Because it is less than equal to 5. So 5 has to be included. So once you got A, B, C, now what is given in the problem? You have to check. You have to first find A union B. So A union B में whatever A union B में the elements of A and B. A has 5, 6, 7, 8 and B has 4, 5, 6, 7. So A union B will have 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Got my point? Now A union B with union C. So A union B तो आपने फाइंड किया, इसका यूनियन C के साथ कर दो. तो इसमें C भी और ज्वाइन कर दो. C में एलिमेंट्स हैं 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So what extra elements you have to give? You have to give 1, 2, 3. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 ये तो ऑलरेडी आपके A union B में थे. Clear? This way you have to solve. Similarly you will go for this B union C and B union C में आपको फिर A union कर देना है. Then you will go for A intersection B, that is you have to find whether any elements are common in A and B. And once you got that, you have to compare that elements with C, whether there is commonness in C and A intersection B. तो A intersection B के जो elements आएंगे, I suppose A intersection B will be 5, 6, 7. So A intersection B will be 5, 6, 7. And you have to now intersect with C. तो C के जो एलिमेंट्स हैं उसके साथ कॉमन बनाओ. ये 5, 6, 7 है और यहाँ पे C के एलिमेंट्स हैं 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So what is common in between them? So that is 5 only. Got my point clear? So this way you have to do. Can you do that? Yes. Next I have question number 4 which says given A is 0, 1, 2, 4, 5. B is given, C is given. Show that A union B union C. See my dear kids, whatever is given in the bracket, first you have to put that bracket. A, so elements of A are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Union you have to make with B union C. Now B union C, whatever things you will write, note it down. 0, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 9. Now इन दोनों का यूनियन करना है, इन दोनों को कंबाइन करना है. सो यू विल पुट 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9. So that will be A union B union C. Getting my point clear? Similarly you have to do with intersection also. Next we'll jump on to question number 6 which says P is factors of 36. So my dear kids, what are factors of 36? 36 कौन से टेबल में आता है? So we can write factors will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 9, 12, 18 and 36 in its own table. So this is a set of P. What about Q? Q is all the factors of 48. So 48 factors will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12, 16, 24 and 48. Got my point? Now you have to find P union Q. So you have to make a union. Union means you have to combine. Make sure no repetitive elements will be included. Okay? Then you have to find P intersection Q, which are the common things in both the sets. Okay? Then you have to go for Q minus P. That means Q के elements जो हैं, Q के एलिमेंट्स में से आपको P के एलिमेंट्स हटा देने हैं. Getting my point? Now Q has 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 9, 12, 18, 36. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8 इसके पास है. Getting my point? 8. So Q minus P will be, बाकी जो भी एलिमेंट्स आपके Q में, Q से आपको हटाने हैं P के जो भी एलिमेंट्स हैं, तो Q से आप हटा दो 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. ओके, देन यू हैव 12 हटा दो, देन नथिंग. ओके, सो 8 यू विल कीप इट, 16 यू विल कीप इट, 24 यू विल कीप इट, 48 यू विल कीप इट. सो वॉट एवर माइनस, जैसे हम सब्ट्रैक्ट करते हैं तो Q में से P के सभी एलिमेंट्स को सब्ट्रैक्ट कर दो. गेटिंग माई पॉइंट क्लियर? देन आई हैव गिवन P कॉम्प्लीमेंट एंड इंटरसेक्शन Q. नाउ व्हाट यू मीन बाय P कॉम्प्लीमेंट? P कॉम्प्लीमेंट मीन्स P के अलावा जो भी आपके पास है. ठीक है. नाउ P कॉम्प्लीमेंट इज नथिंग बट यू कैन टेक इट एज, एक्चुअली इसका कन्वर्जन ऐसे होता है Q माइनस P. तो इनका इंटरसेक्शन पॉइंट वो होता है कि जो Q में से आपने सब P के एलिमेंट्स हटा दिए. गेटिंग माई पॉइंट क्लियर? So if I have given you P complement intersection Q, that is nothing but it is Q minus P. So Q you have all the elements, उसमें से आप P हटा दो. तो as we have already done before, Q minus P, 8, 16, 24, 48. Clear? Next we have problem number 7 which says A 6, 7, 8, 9, B 4, 6, 8, 10 and C के एलिमेंट्स हमको बनाने पड़ेंगे. एंड इट सेज x such that x belongs to natural numbers and x is greater than 2 and less than equal to 7. It is greater than 2, less than equal to 7. So can I write 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7? So you got all the three sets A, B and C. नाउ माई डियर किड्स, A माइनस बी, A में से आप B के एलिमेंट्स हटा दो. A आपके पास है 6, 7, 8, 9. B आपके पास है 4, 6, 8, 10. A में से B के हटाने हैं तो ये 6 हटा दो, 8 हटा दो. सो व्हाट विल बी रिमेनिंग माई डियर किड्स? विल बी 7 and 9. So this is A minus B. Similarly, can you do B minus C? Yes. Now I'll take B minus A minus C bracket. First you have to perform A minus C bracket. उस B में से फिर वो सब हटा देना है. What are B elements? Write it down. 4, 6, 8, 10. And from that you have to subtract A minus C. What is A minus C? पहले आप A के एलिमेंट्स लिख लो 6, 7, 8, 9. C के एलिमेंट्स लिख लो 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. A में से C के सभी एलिमेंट्स हटा दो. 6 C में है, हटा दो. एनीथिंग एल्स? 7 हटा दो. सो रिमेनिंग इज 8 and 9. सो दैट विल बी A minus C. A में से C के सभी एलिमेंट्स हटाने के बाद जो बचता है दैट इज A minus C. गॉट माई पॉइंट क्लियर? नाउ इसमें से B में से A minus C के जो भी एलिमेंट्स हैं वो हटा दो. A minus C का 8 है इसमें, बाकी कुछ नहीं है. सो योर आंसर विल बी 4, 6, 10. करेक्ट? सो दिस इज द वे वी परफॉर्म. सिमिलरली कैन यू डू विथ A minus B union? अच्छा, योर नेक्स्ट इज A minus B union C. सो फर्स्ट यू हैव टू फॉर्म B union C. B और C के एलिमेंट्स कंबाइन करो और फिर A में से सब्ट्रैक्ट करो. A में से जो भी B union C के कोई भी एलिमेंट्स आते हैं A में तो वो हटाते जाओ. क्लियर? सिमिलरली यू हैव A इंटरसेक्शन C. दैट इज फर्स्ट आपको A इंटरसेक्शन C जो ब्रैकेट में है, आई एम डूइंग 5th वन. A इंटरसेक्शन C के जो भी कॉमन एलिमेंट्स हैं, इंटरसेक्शन है, वो निकालो और वो आप B वाले ग्रुप में से, B सेट में से निकाल दो. दैट विल बी B माइनस A इंटरसेक्शन C. आर यू गेटिंग माई पॉइंट? एंड लास्ट इज B माइनस B. तो एक पूरा सेट आप माइनस कर रहे हो उसी सेट के साथ. सो द आंसर विल बी एम्प्टी सेट or the null set. Null you present it like this. Clear? Okay. So that's it. Shall I pack up here? Okay, God bless.